What's the meaning of butchery? Butchery. Butchery.
Butchery. Butchery. Butchery refers to the act of slaughtering and processing animals for meat production. The result of butchery is the production of various cuts of meat, such as steaks, chops, sausages, and ground meat, which can be consumed by humans as a source of protein. However, the process of butchery can be messy and unsightly, often involving the use of knives and other cutting tools to separate muscle from bone. While some people may find the idea of butchery unpleasant, it is an essential part of the food production industry and provides a vital source of nutrition for many people.